Hello everyone, I am here with new topic. Our topic is optical rotatory dispersion and circular dichromium. This is also called ORD and CD. And for notes of this topic, please join me on Telegram. Link is given in description and please do more subscribe, like and share. So let us start. Firstly, we see what is ORD and CD. So, CD is circular dichroism. This is full form of CD. Is an absorption spectroscopy method based on differential absorption of left and right circularly polarized light. The difference in absorption of the left and right circularly polarized light can be measured, and UVCD is used to determine aspects of protein secondary structure. And next point is vibrational CD or IRCD is used to study the structure of small organic molecule, proteins and DNA. So there is given some uses of CD, circular dichroism, where we use CD and how we use. Next, we see circular polarization of light. Linearly polarized light occurs when electric field vector oscillates in only one plane. In circularly polarized light, the electric field vector rotates around the propagation axis, maintaining a constant magnitude. In circularly polarized light, the magnitude stay constant while the direction oscillate. There is given diagram of linearly polarized light and circularly polarized light. As the radiation propagates, the electric field vector traces out a helix. Light can be circularly polarized in two directions, left and right. So there is light circularly polarized in both direction, from left side and from right side both. Or another point is, if the vector rotate counterclockwise, the light is left circularly polarized. Next, we see instrumentation of CD. CD instruments are based on the modulation technique introduced by Gaussian and Lagrange. Light is linearly polarized and passed through a monomicrometer. The incident light on the sample switches between LCD and RCD. LCD left circular dichroism and right circular dichroism. So this is the diagram of linearly polarized light or monochromator linearly polarizer, and this is density high light source. Next, we see some applications of CD or circular dichroism. First application, the most widely used application of CD spectroscopy is identifying structural aspects of protein and DNA. Another point is it can also provides information about structural changes upon ligand binding. And next one, metal containing protein can be studied by visible CD spectroscopy. And fourth point is VCD or vibrational circular dichroism spectroscopy user IR light to determine 3D structure of short peptide, nucleic acid, carbohydrates. And another fifth point is it is mostly used to study biological molecule, their structure and interaction with metal and other molecule. Next, we see another topic, which is ORD or optical rotatory dispersion. Optical rotatory dispersion is the variation in the optical rotation of a substance with a change in the wavelength of light. ORD can be used to find the absolute configuration of metal complex. YD is used to study the chirality of a molecules by passing a beam of linearly polarized light through the sample. If the sample is chiral, then the light will be rotated as a function of wavelength. From this rotation, the user can determine the left and right handed chirality of the molecule. Next, ORD is defined as the rate of change of specific rotation or rotatory power with change in wavelength. Light is an electromagnetic radiation and consists of bivalvely electric and magnetic vector perpendicular to each other. Another point is the branches of physics dealing with the nature, sources, properties and effects of light is called optics. So this is our ORD is completed. So here our topic is completed. For more updates, please like, subscribe and share my channel.